I hope you all are well. In this previous video, I have showed you that how to apply for an email of this university that's called Alaska University. And after some time in a week, we got a problem of during apply time. When we try our old method, the system we fail to apply process, and cause in a step we don't get the next option. Now let's see how we will solve this problem and successfully submitted our apply and get an email with a new method. Let's start the video. First of all, you must need a VPN connected. That's my VPN and I have connected it. Then going to Alaska University website, such as that, you have to simply search Alaska. After that, you will got this website. Then click here and we will apply on this option. This is one only university's section or a campus who's give email for us or our students. Is very helpful for us. Then after that, select apply now. Then click again apply now. Before it, you have to look here. This is first year student. We are applying for first year student. Apply now, and we'll got this option, this page, and then sign up. Then put your email and the password you want to give. I'm giving my password. You can give as you want. Then first name, and this is the our profile generator. You can use it. I'll put this on my comment section. Then paste, then register. After successfully register your account, you have to select the university. Again, it's the same procedure of previous video, but there is something new for completing the application actually. Now let's see. We will start our application. Start application. Then here you have to put your birthday. You can put anything. I am putting this one. And your birth year must be 2000 year or 199. It should be good for applying at university. Then after that, you have to put the mobile phone. Then yes, United States, the states, then city, and see the state, that's Florida. And these videos only for those students, those are developer, those want to work with the domain. Then continue. don't need to fulfill this option, and select your gender. White, non-Hispanic, and yes, then select. And yes, then no, save and continue. Then no again, then must be yes, then no again, and save and continue. Then here's the main point. In the previous video, or we select that option actually, and I'm showing you the problem. What is this? After that, that's the problem. Here you have no option to going to next option. That's the update. And now I will show you the new method. Non-degree, and select anything, then non-degree, then spring, then save and continue. Then choose a randomly school information, then March 2023. Now we can successfully complete our application, because we now able to submit application. Without choosing the system, we can't submit application. And I hope that video will be helpful to you guys, and thanks for watching. Stay with us.